Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 15th of July, 2022. This video we will talk about Ethereum merge date. Ethereum merge date released. Here's when. According to data shared by the founder of Wiki in Ethereum News, Evan Van Ness, Ethereum's merge is scheduled for September 19th alongside a variety of testnet launches. Previously, the same account assumed that Ethereum would switch to the new update at the end of September. It included an important disclaimer that the update might be delivered with a slight delay or faster than expected, considering the decentralized nature of the updates on the network. In the list of releases, users expect the arrival of Gold Operator clients on July 27th and 28th. The merge update on Gold testnet on August 11th and the Bellatrix update in early September that will switch the power off and make Ethereum ready for the merge implementation on September 19th. What is Ethereum merge? Quick rundown. The merge is one of the most anticipated and important updates in the history of Ethereum, as it will change the course of the network's development and make a full transition to proof of stake, leaving the outdated proof of work algorithm behind. The upgrade represents the connection of the existing execution layer of the blockchain with the new consensus layer, Beacon Chain. The updated version of Ethereum will eliminate energy-intensive mining and make the network secure by using staked Ethereum. In addition to making Ethereum environmentally friendly, the update is designed to increase the network's security, scalability, and sustainability. As the 2021 bull run proved that Ethereum is not yet ready for mass adoption as it becomes unusable during high load periods. This is why we saw the blossoming of Layer 2 networks that allowed users to use the network with lower fees. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.